Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi 12S Pro, and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So basically, and fortunately, you do not really have to do a lot. Basically, start with opening the security and then tap on security scan. Okay, so as you can see, I've got the warning that I should update my version, but I will not do it right now. As you can see, after entering the security scan, your device will scan itself, will scan the apps, will scan the operations, etc. Actually, everything in your which is saved in your device or installed, in order to find any kind of malware or viruses. If your device is safe, then your device will for sure notify you about that, and if it will find any problems, and it will show you that, for example, one risk has been detected. Just like in my case, I did not have the update the system, so that's why it's a problem for my device. So no worries, if you will have any viruses, your device will show you and you'll be able to take care of them, so remove them. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to virus scan your Xiaomi 12S Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.